Understanding Whoop charge is essential for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who use the Whoop fitness tracker to monitor their daily activities and optimize their performance. The Whoop charge is a metric that measures the physical exertion and strain on the body during a workout or any physical activity. To understand Whoop charge, start by familiarizing yourself with the Whoop app and the various metrics it tracks, including heart rate variability, and electrodermal activity. The Whoop charge is calculated based on the intensity and duration of the physical activity, as well as the individual's personal characteristics, such as age, weight, and fitness level. The Whoop charge is measured on a scale from 0 to 21.4, with higher values indicating greater physical exertion. For example, a 30-minute jog may result in a Whoop charge of 10, while a high-intensity interval training session may result in a Whoop charge of 18. To get the most out of the Whoop charge metric, it is essential to set a daily strain goal, which is the target amount of physical exertion for the day. The daily strain goal is based on the individual's fitness level and goals, and it helps to ensure that the body is subjected to the optimal amount of stress to stimulate adaptation and improvement. Best practices for using the Whoop charge include monitoring the daily strain goal and adjusting the workout routine accordingly, allowing for adequate recovery time to avoid overtraining, and using the Whoop charge to track progress and adjust the training plan. By following these steps and understanding the Whoop charge metric, athletes and fitness enthusiasts can optimize their workout routine, improve their performance, and reduce the risk of injury. The key is to use the Whoop charge as a tool to inform and guide the training process, rather than relying solely on perceived exertion or other subjective measures. By combining the Whoop charge with other metrics, such as heart rate and sleep quality, individuals can gain a more comprehensive understanding of their physical condition and make data-driven decisions to improve their overall fitness and well-being.